Hey everybody, it's Ryan Bolton here with another box breaking opening of a hobby box of 2019 Series 1 Tops. Alright, it's a jumbo pack, so you get one autograph and two relic cards in every pack, or every box. Alright, let's see what we got. Hopefully you give a like, go see some of my other videos, especially I hit a nice pull in my last video, which is the one with the Target box opening, a box of those hot corner Fairfield boxes. I hit a nice Ronald Acuna Jr. autograph from a pack of fire, and it's number 21 out of 25. Really nice card. Looked it up in the Beckett magazine. Card book's $200, and because it's numbered to 25, it has the multiplier of ×2, so book's $400. I got out of a $14.99 box of Fairfield Hot Corner, and it was a Topps Fire 2018 Topps Fire. So it's a Ronald Acuna rookie card at that too. All right, here we go with the first jumbo pack. Let's move a few things around here. Here we go with the first pack. Hit that before we go. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications. Check out my eBay page, GoPacker79, and comment, like, let me know what you think, and check out my other previous videos. All right, and here we go. There's a Ronald Acuna Gold Cup. Joey Votto, Justin Turner, and I'll look for short prints and variations at the end of probably after I can get off the video. Let's see. Whoops. Dropping some cards here. So we got 150. And it's the greatest season. You got Juan Michelle. Got a rainbow. Milwaukee Stadium. And then you got Shohei Ohtani, 35th anniversary. And there's the back of that one. The Topps Now, Kyle Schwarber. Every which way here. Trying to finish up putting together a set. I haven't made the list yet because I wanted to get some more cards before making a list. But I have somewhat of a start of Series 1 and Series 2. But Series 2 is hard to get because boxes are expensive for Series 2. But I do have, from Series 2, I do have Fernando Tatis and the Vladimir Guerrero short print no number card. So I already have at least those two big knives. Just don't have Pete Alonso. So far, as one of the rookies. Okay, here we go. We got Roman Leonardo, the 150 gold. And then got Tom Clavin, greatest players. It looks like we got an autograph, so we'll see it afterwards. It's behind the Ronald Acuna. We got David Price, Max Scherzer, JD Martinez, Gleyber Torres Cup card. So hopefully you guys enjoying watching this video whenever. Sit back, relax, have a beer or coffee or whatever you like to drink, and enjoy this video. Okay, let's go to the next pack. Justin Upton, Francisco Lindor, Corey Kluber, Jordan Hicks Future Stars is Milwaukee Stadium, George Springer, Zach Greinke, Tim Beckham, and you got a Joe Musgrove gold card. Ooh, what's this? Frank Thomas, nice. Iconic cards, nice. Best card of the break, right there. Probably the case hit right here, Frank Thomas. It's a nice one. And then Chris Bryant, 35th anniversary. Javier Baez, Rhys Hoskins, Jay Bruce, Miguel Andujar, Chad Green, Chris Taylor, and trying to, as I go, kind of just put the inserts off to the side in a group, along with some other packs I had opened already from those Fairfield boxes. So I just kind of putting them together, but I'm separating the base that way. When I look through short prints later, I already, because I already looked through the base of the other packs. I don't want to look through the same packs again. So I put them off. So I put them in a stack, but putting all the inserts together, so it'll be a lot easier to look at them later and go through them. There's Chicago Stadium, Wrigley, and then there's Pittsburgh. Looks like we got a relic in this one. And there's 150 George Polanco, Dennis Eckersley, 150. And then we'll put that there. And Matt Scherzer. Look at all the hits. There's only 3. So we'll look at the hits at the end of the break. Mookie Betts, league leaders, Josh Hader, Derek Dietrich, Yadier Molina, Corey Seager. Okay. Go with the next pack. I'll scoot this over just a little bit. Here we go. There's Mark Trumbull, Shohei Ohtani Cup card, Chris Bryant, Billy Hamilton, Jock Peterson, Brad Keller, there's Philadelphia, Christian Yelich, Carlos Correa, and then we got Matt Duffy, 150 years gold. And we got Oriole Park, Campton Yards. Greatest Moments. Jordan Hicks, Future Stars Rainbow. Joey Votto, 35th anniversary. Jason Negron. Jose Altuve. Christian Yelich, league leader. Kenny Jensen. Matt Chapman. Josh Bell. Joe Musgrove, and Buster Posey. Okay. Let's go with the next pack. Tim Anderson, Trey Turner, Adam Jones, Luke Weaver, the Jeff McNeil rookie, D. Gordon, John Lester, Miguel Cedeno, Kiki Hernandez, Judas Sheffield rookie. You got Washington, Javier Baez, sliding there for a catch. You got Rainbow. You got Nolan Ryan, Justin Verlander, Topps Greatness returns. First time seeing one of these kind. And then we got Mike Piazza, 35th anniversary. We got Juan Soto, home run challenge. Josh Donaldson, Rich Hill, Brandon Belt, Jack Flaherty, Future Stars, and Sonny Gray. Alright, hopefully you guys are enjoying me opening up some packs for you. Like I said, just sit back, relax. So we're getting one more relic. Already got an autograph and one relic, so waiting on another one. And like I said, I don't know if there's any short prints in here, so we'll take a look at the end. Kyle Tucker, rookie. Brett Phillips. Juan Soto, Gold Cup. And then you got Los Angeles Dodgers Stadium. Right there. That's a nice shot. Been there so many times. Boston Boys. And then got St. Louis Cardinals. With the arch in the background. Kyle Hendricks. David Price. Cole Calhoun. And one of the 150. You got Ty Cobb, one of the greatest players. Luke Weaver, 35th anniversary. We got Juan Soto, Topps Now. We got Bryce Harper. And I don't know who the second baseman is. And you got Pujols and Betts in that one. Renato. Blake Snell. Jacob deGrom. Matt Olson. Luis Severino. Alright, we've got looks like 3 packs left to go. That way we can get rid of the box here. Chance Adam, rookie. There's Michael Kopech, rookie. Chad Betts. Rafael Devers. There's Mike Trout. Jack Lee Bradley Jr. Evan Santana. Brandon Lowe. And then we got Cheating Stadium. Or, wait, sorry, my bad. It even says Champions right there. This is Trash Can Stadium. I mean, Houston. Josh Harrison. It's Oakland Athletics. Willie Calhoun, Future Stars. You got Kyle Seager, gold. There you got Babe Ruth, Greatest Moments. And then we got Pedro Martinez, 35th anniversary. Then we got a black Shane Green, which one's numbered 29 out of 67. Pitcher for Detroit. David Price, World Series. Matt Scherzer. PJ Crawford. JD Martinez. Gleyber Torres Cup card again. Joey Gallo. Will Smith. Ryan Zimmerman. Justin Verlander. Jose Martinez. E.D. Glorious. Johnny Cueto. Aaron Nolan. Sorry, I'm a little dull here today. I'm tired. It's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Getting close to it. Cedric and Ryan O'Hearns. Good first name. Paul Goldsmith. And this is my second break-in tonight. Brian McMahon. Or McCannon. Manning Margaret. That must have a relic in it. Seth Lugo. Sir Didi shares his experience. Andrew Miller. Brett Phillips. Juan Soto Cup card again. Los Angeles Dodgers again. And there's Mookie Betts and Andrew Benintendi. And we got a Wade Davis gold. And Springer rainbow card. Yeah, George Brett, kind of iconic cards. And Steve Carlton, 35th anniversary. Yeah, Max and Cody Bellinger. Nolan Arenado. Brian Anderson, Future Stars. Jacob deGrom. All right, last pack. We should have a relic in this last pack here. Yep, we got something in here. This one's a little bit thinner than the other one. So here we go. We got Aaron Judge, Freddie Freeman, J.D. Martinez, Matt Davidson, Corbin Burns, Ray Black, Kyle Schwarber, Seattle, Seiko Field, Atlanta, Royce Chapman there. Looks like it's raining. Boston. World Series card. Dansbury Swanson. Al Kaline, rest in peace. Greatest players. Russell Martin, Rainbow. Okay, it's after the Justin Verlander. All right. J.D. Martinez World Series. Chris Davis League Leaders. Adam Eaton, Todd Frazier. Yasiel Puig, Anthony Rendon. Famil Reyes Future Stars. Alex Gordon. Blake Snell, Anna Clayton Kershaw to end out the base. Alright, so let's see what we got here for the 2 relics and the autograph. So we got Justin Verlander, 35th anniversary. So I'm just moving things around here so I can do a little bit more room. Okay, there we go. Better. Have a little bit more room now to move my arms. Okay, I can move this over. So we got Justin Verlander, and it's a Brandon Crawford. Game used memorabilia. So there's the front. There's the back. Put that on the back. We got Bob Gibson, 35th anniversary. Then we got Michael Conforto patch card. Pretty cool. Number 46 out of 50. It's a commemorative hat logo patch. Okay. There's the back. It says you received a retro hat logo patch card from 2019 Topps Series 1. Alrighty. And then hopefully our autos will leave something good. We got Ronald Acuna. And the auto is Rocky. Kyle Freeland. Legacy of Baseball. Yeah, it's a 150 year logo on it, so it's probably numbered. And it's number 4 out of 150. I don't know if you guys can see that. blurry there. And so we got, this is the autograph. Alright, which, not too bad. I mean, they could have had better hits, but it is what it is. So, I still think the best card out of the box is the Frank Thomas. Best card of the box, I think. Alrighty, so that's about it for me. I'm gonna look at this stuff tomorrow because I'm tired and my son gets up early. So I'm gonna just sleeve these for right now because I ran out of card guards. Just waiting to get some in the mail. So right now, I'll just put them in some penny slavers for right now, penny sleeves. I have the little thicker card guards for maybe the jersey, but not the thinner card guards for the auto. I think I used up all my thicker card guards too, so I need to go get some of those. I just don't know if the baseball card shop is open. Should probably give them a call to see if they're open. Okay, so those are sleeved. So have a good one, and make sure you like and give me a thumbs up and make comments and enjoy yourself and stay safe out there. And check out my other videos. Check out my eBay page, GoPacker79, and I'll see you the next time. Have a good night or day. Bye.